Damn, I done did it again.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular?
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new for the first time, welcome. I'm Deasia, which you can call me D, and this is my Valentine's Day series. I'm uploading a different Valentine's Day look for the 14 days of love. Today is day 10, and it's really like a heart eyes, you know, hella heart eyes for your bae look type of day going on. If you want to see how I cheat this look, please continue on watching. So I'm gonna start off with my eyebrows first. I'm using my Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefits Cosmetics in the shade 4. I'm gonna brush my eyebrows up and fill them out how I fill them out in every video. I'm gonna just speed through my everyday face routine to get straight to the look. Using my Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer in the shade 3.75, and this is what I'm going to use to clean up under my eyebrows. I'm going to use my Estee Lauder foundation to clean on top of my eyebrows. Okay, so I'm using my primer from Poreless. I mean, my Blur Pore Blur primer. Using my Pore Blur primer from Makeup Revolution. I'm gonna put this on my cheeks where my pores are mostly visible. Okay, I'm going back in with my Anastasia concealer, and I'm going to use this to take away the dark spots. Next, I'm going in with my Too Faced Primer and Poreless powder, and I'm going to press this on my cheeks. This also helps with the appearance of pores. So using my Estee Lauder foundation again, this is what I'm using for I cannot talk. This is what I'm using for foundation today. I seen on TikTok that they said if you don't put foundation up under your eyes, it can help with creasing. So I'm gonna try that today. So the concealer that I'm using today is my favorite Tarte shaped concealer in the shade Tan Sand. And this concealer dries down really fast. I'm trying to see, do I want to do my contour first or do I want to do my concealer first? I'm gonna do my contour first. I don't know. Let's do my contour first. So I'm using my Juvia's Place contour stick in the shade Zambia. Some dots right there. I'm gonna do my nose after I'm done blending my face out. This is not the brush to use. I'm messing my baby hair up. Using my concealer now, my Tarte shade concealer, and I'm going to conceal my face. And like I said, this concealer dries really fast, so. Really gotta start working as soon as you put it down. I forgot to contour my nose, y'all. That was the whole point of me contouring first, to contour my nose. You don't want to let this concealer sit at all because it will not move. I'm gonna go back and contour my nose, y'all. I really like the whole do your contour first thing, and I like the no foundation up under the concealer because I feel like it really got my concealer looking different. I think I'm a little lopsided, but it's okay. I had to finish the rest of my face because my camera died, and like I said already, I wanted to go through my face routine anyways. But I mean, I will upload a video of my full face routine if you guys let me know in the comments, period. So I'm going in with my Poreless bases. I'm using Winter Rose, Rumour Zero, and Rumour Red. And now I'm going to create my hearts. Hello, her eyes for you. I'm going to draw my eyeliner first because I feel like it'd be easier to draw my hearts around my eyeliner than to draw my eyeliner around my heart. So. Okay, so I'm gonna screw that up somewhere. So I'm doing my little hearts right now. And I'm gonna start with my white Louise base first. I'm gonna just put these hearts random. I'm gonna switch to pink. Now I'm going to red.
Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hit me when you know better? You know better.
I like that. That is so cute, y'all. Wow. Damn, I done did it again. Okay. So I'm using my contour stick from Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna use this to outline my lips today. Now I'm using my Fenty concealer in the shade 350. Now this concealer, if y'all thought that the Tarte Shake concealer dry down fast, this dries down so fast you don't even get a chance to blend it out. I don't really like Fenty beauty products like that because it's too dry, and I had dry skin. I mean, I had oily skin. I have like combination skin, and y'all just wasn't giving. I'm telling y'all, like. And I love Rihanna, so I kept trying to try it. Now, her skincare routine, oh, she did that. That's all I use. All I use. I feel like this lip is a little light. I think I can darken it up with some darker contour. I'm gonna use the shade Benin because I've been it. So. Okay, I'm gonna put my lashes on and I'm gonna be right back. Yeah, I can't stop smiling. Let me show y'all what I just got from it. Let me show you. Okay, I only got one lash on. Okay, so I only got one lash on, but y'all, look at what I just got, y'all. Look what I just got, y'all. Oh my gosh. And I got not a box of chocolates. I got a case of chocolates, y'all. I didn't even know I was gonna have a Valentine this year. I'm psyched. And this bear is so cute, y'all. Okay, let me get back to the look. Let me start showing off and let me get back to the look. That was so sweet. That was so sweet. And the thing about it is, y'all, I was going to take myself out for Valentine's Day. I was going to go buy me some flowers tomorrow. You know, get me something nice. I was going to do all of that tomorrow because I didn't know I was going to have a date. So I was going to be my own date, period. Okay, this lash look good, this lash don't. Oh, this lash is up there. This lash is really up there. Don't my eyes look uneven. Okay, I gotta take it off. Oh, I'm using hair glue. I'm not with the hair glue lashes committee, but y'all, I don't have no more lash glue. So I have been using hair glue for a good little minute now. And I get why I get why it's popular to use. Cause once they on, oh they on, honey. this is the final look. It was really nice, quick, and easy. This looks so neat and clean. Like, it made me want to just keep flipping my hair back and forth like this. Keep switching my braids back and forth. They need to come out. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my socials in my description. Turn your post notifications on so you don't miss another beat. And I will see you guys in my next video.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me.